This is a pretty nice website, right? Well, it's doing something really wrong that's totally hurting its ability to rank and get new customers. And yet, for most of us, when we look at this website, we think it's pretty good. Actually, they've got nice design. If you go into their different categories, they have products that they sell. And so we think this pet supply store should just show up in Google, right? Wrong. It actually doesn't show up in Google very well at all, this website specifically. And it's too bad because this store is really close to me and has a really nice selection, but they're not reaching as many customers as they should in Google. And if they fixed it, they would be able to reach tons more customers in the Denver area and grow their business like never before. What is this huge problem that's holding them back? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, and I'm going to tell you the simple and easy way that you can approach fixing it. And stick around, hit that subscribe and like, because in future videos, I'm going to do demos of exactly how I'd approach solving this problem and exactly how I would build the solution in a fast, easy way, and probably even leverage some AI tools to make life super easy for you to solve this. So what is the first thing that matters that we're talking about? If I am going to do anything, I'm going to search these two words, near me. If you've been following my videos and you're a local business, you need to come up for when people search for the products or services that you offer in near me searches. That's exactly what they're going to search. And it doesn't matter if I'm looking for window cleaning near me or if I'm looking for anything. I'm going to localize this search and go near me, or I want to buy pet supply products, or I want to hire a landscaper, or I want a lawnmower, or I want to go to a massage therapist. I'm going to search near me to see which types of local businesses offer that. And the ones that are mastering the local search results are the ones I'm going to choose. So what happens for this business? Well, they're lucky because they are right near me. So their map result shows up here. But most people, especially when you're perusing pet supplies, want to see your catalog and want to see your business and what you offer and all that. So I can click to link to their website, but you're making me click all the way here. And what if I just skip over this maps part because I'm doing a little research? You want your website to rank as well. There's two spots you need to rank in Google for near me searches. You need your Google business profile to rank, and then you need your website to rank. And here's the thing. The only reason they're right there is because they're so close to my house. They are literally the closest one. So that means that they can rank there. As soon as I move a mile or two away, they won't even be in that maps results at all, which is why, even though they're still near me, they need to get their website to rank too. There's two spots you need to rank, the maps results, and you need your website to be good enough to rank there too. But if I search dog treats, their website does not show up here at all. And yet, I'm going to see shopping results for Walmart, which is 0.9 miles away, Petco, which is 2 miles away. I'm going to see Yelp results, and I'm going to see these other websites for these other companies. If I search dog food near me, again, they're just close, so they're in the maps results. No website here, no shopping results. This is not giving them a good chance. You only want to be one place on Google search results? No, you want to be everywhere you can. Cat food, again, they're lucky because they're the closest, but as soon as I move far away, they're not going to be in those maps results because it's a map, and the map is going to adjust to my location. So their website needs to rank too to give them the best chance to capture customers, and their website is not here, and it's not in shopping results. Why is that? This website looks really good, and we see here that they have dog toys, dog treats, all of that. If we as a human actually make it to their website, but that's not the eyes of Google. Google is not looking at that and thinking of that. So let's look at dog treats here, the search I just showed. Well, you might look at this and say, well, they listed dog treats. Google's looking at that and saying there's no text on this page. I have no idea about their dog treats that they sell or any information about them. Let's click on the website for one of these stores that actually ranks, a Pet's Paradise. Look at all the text on this page. Now let's go to something like dog food. Look at all the text on this page. They said, why natural dog food? They said why they sell that kind of dog food. They said dog nutrition and why that dog food matters. They said what types of dog food do we carry? And they listed it all out. Again, this is not rocket science. It just needs to be done. And then dog foods that we carry, and they listed all of these dog foods that they carry. Let's take this page URL. Let's take this page URL. I'm just going to copy that, and let's go over to Textize and let's check it out. As soon as I click on that, you can see, look at all of this text that's related to what they have. And again, I'm not even saying this is the best. You can even do a lot better than that, but at least they're farther along. Now let's take this website for mouthfuls, and let's take this dog treats page and look at it through the eyes of Google, which Google is reading the text on the page to understand what it is you offer. If I actually put that in here, look at this. Textize had a problem with the address. I'll just do that again so you can see dog treats, Textize. Might not exist, might be badly formatted HTML. There's not any text, right? There's just these pictures and these like hyperlinks. There's no actual text. That's the eyes of Google. That's what Google's reading. Google's trying to read that and be like, oh, okay, a URL that says dog treats. Tell me about your dog treats. And the store doesn't tell them anything other than linking to their product catalog. That's a problem. How do you solve it? You need to build landing pages on your website that have text in them. If you just want to rely on your catalog for that, you need to have text above your catalog that describes that category. You need to think about the keyword you're trying to target, and then you need to write about it on your website because Google's reading your website and looking at the text. If you're not doing that, you're not setting yourself up for success. Hit that subscribe and like button, please, because I want you to catch the next video where I'm going to talk about how to optimize these landing pages, how to build them on different platforms, and what you should do in terms of best practices to actually have your business have well-represented landing pages that get you to rank in those near me searches so you can capture a bunch of business and grow your business. Because guess what? A lot of small businesses aren't doing this, but you should be and you can be. And it's not that hard, and it's going to have massive results down the road for driving in more traffic, which leads to more sales. Thanks for joining me. Hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have a question. We'll catch you in the next video.